Hey there, fashionistas! Welcome back to Style Polygon, your ultimate destination for all things trendy and fabulous in the world of fashion. I'm thrilled to have you here, and today, I have something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to dive deeper into the fashion wonderland that Style Polygon has to offer? If you haven't already, I highly encourage you to explore our amazing collection of playlists. Trust me, they're a treasure trove of fashion inspiration and guidance that you don't want to miss out on. We've curated a wide range of playlists covering various topics, styles, and occasions. Whether you're seeking tips for a stunning summer look, want to stay up to date with the latest fashion trends, or need guidance on accessorizing like a pro, we've got you covered. Take a moment to imagine this. You're browsing through our playlists, each one meticulously crafted to cater to your unique fashion needs. From trendy outfit ideas to styling tips for every season, our playlists are carefully designed to inspire and empower you to embrace your personal style. But wait, it gets even better. We're not just here to provide you with fabulous fashion content, we want to build a vibrant community of fashion enthusiasts like you. We want to hear your thoughts, your opinions, and your style journeys. So, after you've checked out our incredible playlists, don't forget to engage with us in the comments section below each video. Share your favorite fashion hacks, ask questions, and let us know what you'd like to see more of on Style Polygon. Your voice matters, and we can't wait to connect with you. And here's a little secret. When our amazing community engages with our videos, something magical happens. Our channel grows stronger, and we're able to bring you even more exciting content. As we continue to expand and evolve, we'll be able to offer you exclusive offers and deals on women's fashion, especially for our beloved Style Polygon community. So, my lovely viewers, it's time to take action. Dive into our playlists, immerse yourself in the world of fashion, and don't forget to hit that like button and share our videos with your fellow fashion enthusiasts. Let's spread the love for style and make Style Polygon the go-to destination for all things fashion on YouTube. Thank you for being a part of our incredible fashion journey. Remember, your style is a reflection of your unique personality, and Style Polygon is here to guide and celebrate you every step of the way. Stay fabulous, stay fashionable, and I'll see you in our next video.